Hi, I'm Anya, your meditation teacher, and I'm here to answer your meditation questions. And today's question is from Ariana, and she says, could meditation help me eat better? I veer between eating too much and not eating at all. Well, Ariana, yes, meditation could help you eat better, but also talking to a nutritionist could be really helpful as well. So one of the reasons behind a disordered eating pattern, this pattern of veering between eating too much and not eating at all, is because your mind has become totally absorbed with servicing your to-do list, the list of things that you want to get done every day. And where meditation will help you with this is it will actually give you an opportunity to pause and take out some me time, some self-care time. The process of meditation will help calm your mind down, and at the end of it, you'll have this nice, quiet, calm space, a sense of clarity and clearness in your mind. And you can use that to set your intention and a plan of action for the day ahead. So in your case, for eating regularly, you could set the intention, literally, I am going to eat regularly today, and then follow that up with the actual action plan so that you are going to eat at 8 a.m., 1 p.m. and 6 p.m., for example. The other way that meditation could help you is it trains you in the process of being mindful. So literally being aware of what is happening right now. And you can use that skill of mindfulness after your meditation. You can use it in the rest of your day to help you track what's going on and to flag up to you that it's getting close to 1 o'clock and you said you were going to stop and eat. It's getting close to 6 o'clock and you said you were going to stop and eat. So your mindfulness can be used within meditation. You can refine and strengthen that skill within meditation, and then you can use it to help you do the things you want to do, the good habits you want to put in place during the rest of your day as well. The other thing I would use that clear space, clarity space at the end of your meditation for is to set your intention and an action plan to drink regularly. And by drink, I mean drinking water or herbal tea or ordinary tea or juice, not alcohol, because dehydration is a sensation that can frequently be mistaken for hunger. So by making sure that you drink regularly every 2 or 3 hours and set yourself a timetable the same as you have for your eating, keep drinking regularly, and then when it comes to eating, you won't feel so desperate to actually eat everything that's in the fridge all at once. The other thing that I recommend you do is download this PDF, free PDF, How to Quieten Your Mind in Meditation, because there's a section in there which explains how to put your to-do list in its place. So I recommend you download that. You can get that from my website, wisdom-mind.co.uk. Just click on the free downloads tab and have a read of that, Ariana, because I think you will find it really helpful to get a new regular eating habit in place. So thank you for your question. And if you have any other questions about meditation or about anything that I've said, pop them in the comments below. And if anybody else has any questions about meditation, pop them in the comments below and I will answer as soon as I can.